next GST Council meeting, the GST law may be changed, and the government may allow amendments to GSTR 3B. The GST Council will have its 47th meeting in Chandigarh on June 28 to 29, 2022, Tuesday and Wednesday. This meeting is critical because a key decision on GST rate reduction might be made there. And the GST Council will approve revisions to GSTR 3B. Furthermore, the government should improve the auto population of GSTR 3B. As a step to stem income leakage, the Council is expected to authorize both the center and the states to issue show cause notices, SCN, even if the taxpayer does not fall within their jurisdiction. The GST Council will also suggest enabling e-commerce suppliers to register under the composition system, which would alleviate compliance bottlenecks for them. The debate will focus on making registration easier and lowering tax costs. E-invoice. The GST Council will allow the government-run NIC to register e-invoices as well. The government has also recommended the implementation of 6 invoice registration portals over the next 6 months in order to offer appropriate back-end IT. Annual GST return. For FY 2021-22, the Council is expected to continue to exclude taxpayers with annual sales of less than 2 rupees or from filing GST annual reports under Form GSTR 9/9A. It will also improve auto population annual returns in order to improve compliance. An in-depth examination of NAA, the National Anti-Profiteering Authority, is anticipated to be the subject of a comprehensive examination by the GST Council, NAA. NAA has retained the services of the Solicitor General to defend the organization in writ petitions contesting its constitutional legality. Before situations when NAA has been remanded by state high courts against orders, the government is likely to pursue an appeal in the Supreme Court. The NAA has formed a team of advocates to guarantee that customers receive proper justice in cases where the industry has profiteered.
In the end, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.